Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. This is Cheryl Johnson with HeyGurlTV, and welcome. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you're returning, I appreciate you so much. I'm so grateful to you all. And today, I had everything planned out. I ain't gonna lie, it was a long day. Of course, we had school, physical therapy. And then I went over to my mother's house and had dinner, and she gave me like a lot of good stuff, you guys. So I'm definitely going to be showing you some new fashions that were gifted to me. I'm so excited about that. But if you're interested in finding out what my mama got me and what's on my wish list, keep watching.
Jingle bells, hidden bells, send us on his way. Gifts for you.
All right, you guys. So I guess I'm scratching my leg, girl. I don't know. My skin is just so dry, you guys. Like, what is going on with this weather? But anywho, yeah. So what I only have like 2 items on my wish list, and I got one of them already. The first thing was an LED like facial like treatment mask, and I've been showing you guys that new item the past couple of days since I've started Vlogmas, and I really love that gadget, you guys. It is so exciting. I haven't really seen like a dramatic difference, but my sister told me that it's gonna take like probably 3 weeks to a month to really see a change in your skin. So I'm waiting for that. And that LED treatment mask is just really great. Let me go get it, y'all. Let me just get it.
I got him.
Okay, so this is the facial mask right here, and all you do is just put it on like a pair of sunglasses. And like red is for anti-aging. I'm not really sure what blue is for, you guys. I can't find the instructions. And then there's like, this one is for hyperpigmentation. That's like the orange or like an orange or yellow. And then you have the green. And then back to red. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 different levels for treatment. And like I said, it's really great. I wanted this. I got this from Macy's, and got it. So I wanted to have this early. It was like, do you want it now? You want it later? I was like, I want it now because my birthday's coming up, y'all. So I want to kind of snatch that face for the B-Day. So the other thing is a pair of Matin Girl, I believe it is, tennis shoes. I have a pair of Adidas, I think All Stars, but I just wanted another pair of like white tennis shoes, or like an off, like a camel color or like beige. But I also wanted like a brown or like a tan sole around it. So these are the ones that I chose right here, and this is what I'm really expecting to get. Other than that, I didn't really have too much on my wish list this year because I normally get like a lot of stuff during the year. And we're also like looking at houses too. So I wanted to not overspend this Christmas. So we only bought like the kids like 5 items a piece, things that they actually wanted. I really wanted to buy them things that they needed, like they need high shoes, and let me see what else. They got socks. No, like what I'm talking about, what you need, Coco, not what you want. Like, I think it was just the only thing that they really needed were house shoes. And so I just kind of got them what they wanted. They only got 5 items, and then my husband and I, we only chose like 2 items. So that is it. So let me go ahead and get into this unboxing. All right, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, that stuff that my mom gave me. I've just been so busy, I haven't had a chance to go through the items that she dropped off for me. So in the first box, she got me a pair of boots. These are so cute. look like they're gonna be so comfortable. Like I'm really trying to get away from heels because my feet be hurting, girl, and I want comfort. At this age, I want more comfort. I want style too, but I haven't really narrowed down my style yet. I'm still experimenting and exploring different looks, and like this little wrap dress, it's like a jean wrap dress. That's kind of like my style.
Mama, I got something.
Okay, what?
Give me bill.
Girl, if you...
Chips.
I know, go eat them. You're gonna get more on your face. So, just, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. I'll just stay on the couch. It's a little wrinkly, but yeah. This is like what I'm leaning towards right now, since I am a housewife. I like this style, like a wrap dress, anything that is cinched in the waist. I like it to flare out. Yeah, so that's kind of what I'm nearing into, like more of a sophisticated, like laid back, like comfortable, casual style, but chic and still a little sexy too. But I'm still trying to find my style, so hopefully very soon I can kind of narrow it down, because I wanted to go ahead and start you know, building like a capsule wardrobe, you know, of like maybe 20 items that I can mix and match, and you know, I don't have to like have so many different things, you know, and just be so confused about what to wear. And I've gotten better because I basically have all of my basics, so it does make it a lot easier. But the basics that I have, well, they're just basics. I won't say they're my style, because they're just like the hardest working pieces in your wardrobe that you use to layer, to kind of mix and match, to, you know, tie the outfit together. So I don't want to say it's not my style, but it's hard to explain. Like, that's something that's a personal thing, and sometimes when it's, you know, something like in your soul, sometimes it's kind of, well, it's just hard for me to explain like what I'm really looking for, but I am narrowing it down, so I'm excited about that. Okay, let's get back on this. Oh, I think these boots are really cute. I cannot wait to wear them. I love this patent leather on the toe. This is trending right now, on heels, on boots. As you can see, this type of boot, and I'm just really excited about having this boot. It looks really great. I think it's going to just elevate anything that I'm wearing, and I really love that. Okay, so next I have my mom gave me some postcards that she forgot to give me when she went to Panama. So that one looks like Miami right there, but it's Panama, and that's the same. So I'm excited. I do collect postcards, so yeah, I love this. I have to put this, I have like a whole envelope of postcards. Like, I really love, I mean, like all the way going back to like when I was in like junior high school. So I love postcards. Okay, so the next thing in here was a spray bottle. Maybe she had an extra one, but yeah, I need a spray bottle for Royalty's hair, so this is gonna come in handy. So yes, and I think it's one of those that gives like that mist. So this is really cool. I really needed this, Mom. Thank you. Next, I have a pair of pants. They're like lounging pants, very beautiful, very colorful. And these are really pretty, very casual. I really like these. I love the colors. I mean, I could do so many variations of an outfit with this one pair of pants because of all the multiple colors in it. It looks really great, really like abstract type of art. I think it'll really go good with my look. And yeah, is it drawstring? No, it's not drawstring, so I think that'll fit my waist. But these are really cute. I cannot wait to style these for you guys. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, one of these, like a little scrubber. That can come in handy. I like this. A pair of MAC eyelashes.
Yeah,
a pair of MAC eyelashes. These are cute. I'll probably wear these tomorrow for you guys. And then I have, she got me toothpaste? My mama got me some toothpaste. I like this one, the Max Fresh Breath Strips. That sounds invigorating. Mint, yeah.
Yes,
Okay. That. And then she got me some peroxide. I needed some peroxide. I just ran out of peroxide like 2 days ago. Thank you. Yeah, so this is a toy. I don't know if she gave this to me or put this in there for royalty. I'm not sure if that was just, they were in the kitchen and a car ended up in my box. I'm not too sure about that. But yeah, that's all that I really have for you today. I went over to my mom's house after therapy. So what I had actually, I did plan this, but I don't know, like what I'm trying to say, like every day is not going to be like total excitement, but I do have something special for you tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned. Be sure to watch. It's going to be really great. And then after so this is for 8, so 9 is going to be spectacular, and then 10, 11, and 12 are going to be fashion, perfume, and fashion. So stay tuned. Please subscribe, please hit the bell so that you'll get notified. Hit the bell so that you'll know when I drop another video. If you guys have any questions or I'm looking up. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave it down in the comment section. And you guys, I think I might be getting sick. Y'all hear my voice? I think I might be trying to come down with something, but I'm taking my, what is that? Is it echinacea? No, it's elderberry and zinc. So I'm taking that in my multiple vitamins. In my multiple vitamins, so I am trying to nip it in the bud. I haven't got my flu shot. How many of you guys are going to be getting the flu shot this year? Let me know if you're going to be getting the COVID shot, the new one. I just want to know what your thoughts are on the vaccines this time around, because last year it was a doozy for me. So I just want to get you guys input on the vaccines this time around. So I wasn't really sure if I was going to get it. I want to get it because I feel like it's helped me, but I just don't know anymore. Like, I'm just really kind of side-eyeing everything that's going on right now. So I would love to hear your comments on the COVID vaccine and the flu vaccine. And I think that's it, y'all. I'm a little tired. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, stay tuned. Check in tomorrow. We're gonna have some spectacular. We're gonna have something good. I'm gonna have something good for y'all tomorrow, okay? So with that being said, y'all know the drill. Peace. And chicken peas. All right, bye.
Bye.